Imagine this, you or your sales team uses LinkedIn for prospecting and move data to spreadsheets. This boring task tires you out regardless of earnings and often leads to poor results. You think about scheduling more meetings. You push yourself or your team, but it feels like you need more hours in a day. Surprisingly, you only spend 15% of your time actually talking to customers. What if you could increase that? If this sounds like your situation, you're not alone. Even though you are smart and capable, you or your team's time is bogged down with manual tasks. The main question is, how can you make your sales prospecting more efficient? Setting up emails to start conversations can be done automatically. This saves time whether you are by yourself or with a team. Keep in mind, you or your team are there to talk and sell to customers. When you invest in tools or salaries, you hope for great results. The main goal is to use that intelligence and charisma to chat with potential customers and show them why your offer stands out. The most important part? Answering questions and making sure customers are happy. This is when a personal touch really matters. That's where the hard work should go. Prospecting is key for sales. By finding the right people, your message works better, leading to good leads and steady money. So, how can we save time on this important job without losing its value? The solution? Use automatic tools. No more searching for every detail about a potential customer. Just put in what you are looking for and you get a list of people to contact. Then, you can easily add them to a sales campaign that runs on its own. But not all tools are the same. Here are things to think about when picking one. We can't stress this enough. Always ensure your sales prospecting data is of top quality. Here is a fun fact. Sourcing high-quality lists and data emerge as a paramount challenge for sales representatives. But why is quality so crucial? Imagine using outdated email addresses. Your message missed the mark, never reaching the intended recipient. Then these inaccurate emails bounce back. Consequently, you find yourself dispatching double the number of emails just to hit your target. And here's a kicker. Too many bounces could land your email domain on a spam blacklist. Not a good place to be. When on the hunt for data for your automated sales campaigns, consider trusted providers. Your aim? Data that boasts at least a 90% accuracy rate. At Growbots, we've redefined how to prospect by using AI. Simply sign up for a free trial and enter your company's URL. Then review the About Us description. From there, you receive 3 tailored targets options suited for your business. Once you select your preferred target, you'll be directed to our Explore feature. Here, we've pre-configured all the filters for you, presenting a curated group of individuals for your campaign. Craft your sequence using our AI capabilities or choose from our templates, and you'll be ready to reach out to potential clients in just 50 minutes post sign-up. The link for signing up is in the description of this video. After understanding the importance of quality data, the next step is ensuring you have the right tool to utilize that data efficiently. This is where a robust email tool comes into play. A good email tool can help you work faster and smarter. With the right tool, you can send lots of personalized emails quickly and have them follow up on their own. Think about starting a whole email campaign with just one click. That's how easy it can be. The best tools help you improve your emails. They let you set up email campaigns easily, answer emails right in the tool, and handle many email accounts all in one place. Additionally, they offer the ability to track link open rates, click rates, and differentiate between cold and warm replies. You can add personal touches to your emails using custom fields. Plus, you can add contacts to make sure they are the right ones and plan different ways to follow up, like LinkedIn messages or calls. When picking out the tool, look for these features to help you do your best work. Remember to try out free versions first. More tools shouldn't mean more problems, but often moving data between them creates unnecessary work. The key lies in tool integration. Top players in the industry are more inclined to harmonize their automated lead management tools with their CRM systems. In essence, to supercharge your sales team efficiency, opt for an all-encompassing solution or at least one that meshes well with your existing tool stack. Good tool blends sales prospecting with email outreach seamlessly and syncs effortlessly with your CRM. What's the result? Comprehensive reporting at your fingertips, letting you refine your campaigns. Let's dive into the wonders of automation. By streamlining processes, there is a potential to boost results significantly. In fact, based on real experiences, automation can increase outcomes up to 3 times or even more. Now, imagine the impact on a larger scale. If you had a team, this boost would mean achieving the output of many more members without actually expanding the team. That's the transformative power of automation. The real beauty of it, with automation handling the groundwork, the focus shifts. Instead of being caught up in the details of finding potential customers, the majority of the day can be spent genuinely engaging with them. Embracing this change can truly revolutionize the way you approach sales. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.